Let's see how we can push our changes to GitHub and how we can send the pull request to the main branch. So I have this project here, mini.py scripts, and this project is already with me in my local machine. Let me just browse to it. Okay, so here I am inside my local directory, and this is my remote repository. So I'll open the command prompt here. A quick tip for you guys, if you are on Windows, is just click on your address bar here and type cmd, hit enter, and you will be there inside your project directory. If you are on Mac or Linux, just open a terminal and browse to your project directory. Now here, you can check where you are pushing is actually this link. So what you can do is just type this command, git remote -v, hit enter. Okay, I just did remove, not remove, remote, hit enter, and this is the URL, right? This is this URL. So now you are sure that this repository is linked to this GitHub repository. Okay, so now what you need to do is first check git status. So you don't have any changes that are not here in this repository because it says your branch is up to date with origin main. So now what you need to do is make some changes, push those changes, and we'll send the PR. So first, what you need to do is you need to make sure that you are pushing a new branch. So if I do git status, as you can see, I'm on branch main, and you want to send PR to main. So if you push to main, you will not be able to send PR. So you need to push to another branch, and then you can send a PR to main. So what I'll do is I'll switch the branch here, git check out, and then you can just enter your branch name here. Now if this branch does not already exist, you'll have to create this new branch. So I'll just do -p, and let's say it's a new feature branch, and I'll call this some change. Okay, I don't know, I need to be better at naming. Okay, so now this is the branch name. You can have anything here. So now I am switched to a new branch called feature dash slash some change. If you do git status now, as you can see, I'm on feature slash some change. So now I'm on another branch. I'll push to this branch and then I'll send the PR. So first, let's make some change. Okay, let me just open something here. Okay, which file do I have here? Let's just open this data visualization. Where is it? And let's add a change here. Just add a comment because this is just a simple tutorial to show you how to do PRs. I'll just write this as a new change. Save this. Come back here. Now let's again check the status. As you can see, it is saying modify data visualization. So for this, ignore this. I've not yet pushed this file, so it's just showing green to a new file. You can just ignore this. So I've modified this file. Now just add the commit message -am. Let's say new feature added, and now push to the new branch, git push origin, and now the branch name feature feature slash what was the branch name, some change, feature some change. So feature slash some change. So we are now pushing to this branch, hit enter. Okay, we have now successfully pushed. Now you need to go back to your GitHub, and if I reload this, you'll see that has recent pushes 6 seconds ago. So you can just click here, compare and pull request right now, but let's say you don't have this thing. Okay, so what you can do in that case is you can just click here and click on your branch that you want to send PR for with the main branch. So if you keep seeing this, you can just click on compare and pull request. But if you don't see this, just click on here in the contribute section and you will see open pull request. So you can check by clicking compare here what are the changes. So if you just click on compare, you'll be able to see the changes. So as you can see, it will show you that this thing is added, that is, this is a new change. And this file here, this file, you can ignore this file. Okay, so this is what I added in this file. Now once you are happy with the comparison, you can just click on create pull request here, or if you don't want to compare, just click on open pull request here. And once you have done this, you will get to add a title. Now this is just a commit message by default. You can change it here. You can add a description here. Let's say just added comment so that it's easier for your reviewer to see what changes you have done. And just finally, you can click on create pull request. Once you have done this, there will be a notification sent to your project manager or whoever is in charge of the main branch that there's a new feature added, there's a pull request, and they can now merge your branch, that is this branch, into the main branch. Okay, so this is how you actually create pull requests. And now it's up to your senior to actually merge your branch into the main branch or whatever you want to do. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.